So good afternoon, good evening, and Happy New Year everyone. So happy New Year and prosperous New Year to you and to your family. So I know that there's a lot of things to celebrate this New Year 2021. So let's forget 2020 but bring the learning from 2020 to year 2021. So kasi kailangan nating mag-move forward. There are so many things that happened. No, medyo marami talaga. Nandiyan dyan yung Taal eruption, then COVID-19 pandemic, then there's a lockdown, then there is an online school. Nawala ang probably marami ang nawala ng trabaho, nawala ng kabuhayan, and there are so many things that happened actually, and especially for CPA aspirants, they delayed their CPA dreams kasi hindi natuloy ang May 2021 CPA exam, and then ganun din October 2020 hindi pa rin natuloy. So hopefully I'm praying that this year 2021, May 2021 will be a year for you to finish your unfinished CPA dreams. Okay, so to this FB live session will be about how to achieve your CPA dreams in the year 2021. Okay, so but before that, please, okay, comment Happy New Year 2021, and you can also comment CPA title for year 2021. Okay, and please do share and like our FB page CPA Dreams, or you can also join Sipales self-review group kasi I have many plans for this year. You know, this morning when I'm doing my meditation, you know, I'm looking at what are the things that I could do for year 2021 to those CPA aspirants. No, so this is January 1 and I want to be a part of your 2021. If you have any families and friends that they are thinking to achieve their CPA dreams, then bring them to us. Okay, I have many things in my mind na I really want to be a reality this year 2021. Siguro kasi year 2020, I'm more on handouts, test banks, and FB live session every Friday. So I'm thinking like to do few things, no? Kasi dun din sa YouTube channel ko parang more on videos and formal, alam mo yung ganon. So I'm thinking of to improve myself in terms of teaching. You know, kasi I know I'm receiving a lot of messages from students that they are inspired the way I teach. Pero parang I'm feeling like kulang pa. Okay? So there's always something to be improved. Okay, ganun din sa mga email ko na sinisend sa inyo. To be honest, I'm reading all of them. You might not receive a reply, no? Pero I'm reading one by one. Okay? Now, if you have any questions, you can message CPA Dreams Messenger. Okay? Pero same pa rin ang rules for year 2021. Hindi po ako sumasagot ng assignment. That is one. Hindi yan nagbago. That is my rule from the very beginning. So if your question is about an assignment, then you can just post it in our Sipales self-review group. Okay. If the question is about research or thesis, or you need a validation of the statement of the problem, you need someone to help you on that, then I'm more than willing to help. Kasi last year, I helped some students for that. Second is, for students looking for an internship, okay, siguro this is the time for year 2021, I really need help, okay, to grow CPA Dreams. And my goal is to grow it, you know, to have a follower of around 100,000 students. So for me to be able to achieve that goal, okay, I need your help. So share this, like the page, like our videos. You can also subscribe in our YouTube channel, Jonathan Ilagan Ruiz. So I'm dreaming big, but I'm starting small and slowly. You know, I'm not doing this for money, okay? Kasi to be honest, I'm working full time and I'm more than how can I say it? More than contented for what I'm doing right now. Okay, so probably I'm just going to sell some few handouts, test banks kasi for the maintenance of the website. Kasi yung maintenance po ng website natin, yung www.cpadreams.com is I'm paying for that, like around 5,000 pesos to 7,000 pesos monthly. So I'm spending money for it. And also my time and effort as well, no? So yun lang muna, okay? So siguro later in the year, okay? Siguro for 2021 October, okay, if there's a result in May 2021, I'm planning to do a full-time online review. Okay, so I'm not going to do any apps, okay, but I will do it as an online review school, okay, probably. That's what I'm thinking. If there is a market or there is a help that I will get from the lecturers, from anyone, okay, so siguro maybe this year is a big year for me to make it really a reality as well. Okay, but because of pandemic, I think this will help as well. So let's see. Okay, if I have really good impression or good feedbacks from the students that they need help, okay? Kasi ang dami-dami naman talagang online review na exist right now. So we'll see, okay? So that could be one of the project in the pipeline. Okay, now let's move on to our main topic, which is how to achieve your CPA dreams in the year 2021. Okay? So simple lang, okay? This is my principle in life from the very beginning na from after graduation, I started to work from dishwasher to CPA coach, no? Ang aking prinsipyo po is ito talaga yung ginagamit ko and my own strategy. Okay? So, ito po siya. Okay, tandaan, hindi siya nagbago. From the first time I do my FB Live, you can go back you can go back and find it, no? Ito talaga yung aking strategy. So, I don't change it. It's always same. So, that is PAM. Okay? Of course, I'm doing also a blog for this, PAM Academy, but this is applicable to your CPA dreams. Okay? PAM to CPA Title 2021. So, ano ibig sabihin ng acronyms na yan? Mahilig ako sa acronyms, right? So, natatandaan, para madaling tandaan, okay, PAMS, simple lang. That is planning, actions, and mindset. Okay? To have your CPA title for year 2021, you need to have these three factors. Okay? Yan yung kailangan mo. Yan yung recipe to success. Ginagamit ko yan sa career, ginagamit ko yan sa business, ginagamit ko yan sa personal life. So that is what you need. Eto lang tatlo na to, you will get your CPA title. Why? I did it. Okay, so I work as a dishwasher in the beginning, then now I'm a CPA. I'm an online blogger. I'm an online entrepreneur. Okay, so this helps me. Okay, so I want you to apply it in your study, in your CPA title. Okay, please share this. Why? Because this principle or this three letter will really be able to help you. Okay, every time na nawawalan ka ng motivation, inspiration, just remember this three letter. PAM. Okay, let's go on to planning. Ano ibig kong sabihin dyan? Okay, I have a favorite scripture which is Jeremiah 29 verse 11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope and a future. So that means your future will be the CPA title. Okay? God already planned for it. If you are a BSA student, you failed once, you failed twice, you failed thrice, you did not pass the qualifying exam, you did not pass the comprehensive exam. Okay? And probably, no, you keep trying and then you pass it. You pass the quota, you pass the advanced accounting subject, you pass everything and then you graduated with the title Bachelor of Science in Accountancy and you have that degree. Then you need to validate that God's plan for you is a CPA title. Okay? If this is not your dream. After graduation, you realize that you really don't want to become a certified public accountant, then huwag ka na magpakapagod. Okay? Kasi maybe God has another plan for you. Hindi yung CPA title, but it could be another thing. Okay? Pwedeng you will go abroad, or you will be a businessman, you will be an entrepreneur, you will be a lawyer, pero hindi a CPA. So there are so many things, and I don't want to restrict you for that. Okay? But again, if you graduated with Bachelor of Science in Accountancy, natapos mo, and this is your dream, this is not a dream of your family, of your parents, this is your own dream. Kasi pagka naka-attach ka dun sa dream na yon, okay, this is my dream. So then, you will feel fulfilled once you achieve it. Kasi kung hindi yun yung dream na para sa'yo, kahit maging CPA ka, you will never enjoy the work of a CPA. Okay? So, ngayon pa lang, you do your plan. Okay? God already planned for it. Then, you need just to do your own plan. Okay, dito sa plan na yan, natapos tayo, tandaan mo, you need to plan. Kung ikaw ay nasa first year or second year pa lang, nag-i-enjoy ka ba? Nahihirapan ka ba? Gusto mo ba talaga yan? Okay, if yes, then continue. Now, you go to your actions. Now, what I mean by actions is right actions. Yung mga tamang actions na kailangan mong gawin. That means you need to study. Read books. You need to listen to your lecturer. You need to practice. Okay, yan yung mga actions na kailangan mong gawin. You really need to do the right actions. Study, that means spend some time to really study the concepts, get the concepts. And then, if you are attending an online lecture, then listen carefully. Listen from the lecturer. Get the concepts of what he is teaching. Kagaya ngayon, anong concept ang binibigay ko sa'yo? Ito lang naman yan. Pag natandaan mo yan, then you move on every day with that. Okay? Now then, read. Okay? Walang naging CPA na hindi nagbabasa. Okay? The foundation will be the theories, so you need to read the books. Okay? Kung ikaw ay matagal na, 10 years ago ka pa nag-take ng CPA exam, then you need to read. Okay? Go back to the foundation. Go back to the basic. Zero knowledge, read books. Okay? Financial accounting and auditing problems, then may problem ka dyan, hindi mo siya ma-remember, maraming standard na nag-change, then go to theory of accounts. Read first. Okay? That's the way you do it. Then practice. Okay? Ngayon, for you to be able to understand, if you really get the concepts, then you need to do the practice. Answer comprehensive problems. Try multiple choice questions. Lagi kong sinasabi, kaya nga meron tayong daily multiple choice questions in CPA self-review group. Kasi yan yung makakatulong sa'yo para maging CPA. Kasi ano ba yung exam? Diba? Ang exam hindi naman essay. Ang exam ay multiple choice questions. Marami nagsasabi madali lang. Kasi kahit ka nakapikit, mini, mo. Well, that's wrong. Okay, ako personally, when I took the CPA exam, no, hindi ako nag-mini, mo. Okay, I do elimination, but I make sure that I apply the concepts that I learned. So that's the way you do it. Kaya meron tayong daily multiple choice questions. Okay, now, at least 10 multiple choice questions every day. No, you try to answer, and that is comprehensive. Dapat ganon. Now, last but not the least will be the mindset. Okay, what is mindset? Ibig sabihin, yan yung from the word mind. Okay, so yung utak mo, yung brains, yung mind, yung pag-iisip mo, kailangan nasa right place yan. Dapat, kaya may word, merong kasama pang word, set. You need to set it. Ikaw ang magsiset niyan. Kailangan walang negativity. This means you need to have a growth mindset. Okay? Ibig sabihin, kasi sa journey mo na to, you will always fail. Okay? Then, if you fail, then you need to get up. Okay? Ganun dapat. Okay. Example, metaphorically, yung anak ko, okay, my daughter, nung maliit pa siya, no, okay, pero maliit pa rin naman siya hanggang ngayon, she's 3 years old, yung bunso ko. Now, every time na gumagamit siya ng, the scooter, yung tinutulak lang ng paa, so, she keeps falling. Okay, she keeps falling down, she keeps falling down, she keeps falling down. But then, she gets up, she gets up, she gets up. Okay? So, that's the way you learn. Okay? Pag bumabangon ka, okay, that means you have a growth mindset. Hindi ko siya tinutulungan. Every time she fell down, I kept saying, please, get up. Okay? So, that's the way you do to yourself. Every time you fail, you answer a mistake, then you tell yourself, you can do it again. Okay, from that mistakes, you learn. From that failures, you learn. I had so many mistakes and failures in my life. In year 2020, you already know, I lost my job. Okay? I really felt bad for almost a week, and I'm feeling like, what did I do wrong, to lose it? Okay? And everything is set. I thought that will be my last position in the corporate world. But then, I realized after 1 week, God is redirecting me in another direction. And now, I'm here and I'm thriving. I'm doing a good work, I think, and I'm in auditing. Okay, so compared from the previous work, it's different. Financial controller, this time I'm the auditor. So it's good. Siguro God is showing me you need to go in all aspects of being a CPA. Hindi lang doon sa position na yon. Okay, so ganun din sa'yo. If you fail, get up. Okay, there is a brighter future always. Okay, and very competitive ang market. So that means you really need to have the CPA title. Sadly, I have this one email from a student, and she keeps saying, gusto kong i-grab yung handouts, okay? Because I'm selling the handouts, right? So what they are saying is, I cannot afford it right now because I lost my job. Okay? She lost her job. So ngayon, can you imagine the tough situation that she's into? Okay? Mahirap humanap ng trabaho, and probably, hindi ka CPA, sino ang ipaprioritize more than you? Okay? Especially if you are here in abroad. Especially in my case, in the Middle East. Okay? Of course, no? Yung may CPA title or something that you have in your experience. Okay? So, ako personally, I don't want to be on that situation again. Naranasan ko na yan. Okay, to be on that situation na you are capable, but you are not hired because you don't have the title. Okay, so yun lang ang ating FB Live for today. So happy New Year. So recap lang, PAM to CPA title. So that means planning, take the right actions, and have the right mindset. God will always be on your side. Believe me. Okay, but do the right actions. Don't cheat. Don't copy with your seatmates. Just do it by yourself. Believe in yourself because you can do it. You are more than enough. You are always more than enough. Believe me. Okay? God is always there because He's more than willing to help you. But the only question is, are you willing to help yourself? Okay, so yan yung iiwanan ko sa'yo. Are you willing to achieve your CPA title this year, 2021? Okay, so hopefully, I'm praying also that this COVID-19 vaccine that is already approved in some other countries will be applicable in our home country in the Philippines. Okay, but because that is also one of my goals this year, 2021, to have the COVID-19 vaccine. And probably, visit Philippines with my family. And if there is any JPA events, you can invite me. Okay, for free. I can be a speaker for free. Okay, and I will be more than willing to encourage all the students and CPA aspirants in the future. Okay, so God bless you. Have a happy New Year. Maraming salamat po.